if you close on, this is a future workshop I am going to cover. Next, April 29th, I am going to cover one-day workshop on how to create the best research article using ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT application. I'm using AI model. This is your Chandigarh University today. Okay, my future workshop is, if you want to attend, I'll share you screen. Any doubts? So these are the various workshops I have conducted all over the world. Okay, these all are various workshops I have conducted all over the world. Okay, any doubts, please ask me now. Please. Any doubts with you? Yeah, please, madam. Any doubts? No, your voice is not audible, madam. Please ask me clarity. I'm going to clarify your doubts. Your voice is not clarity from madam. She is going to share with you. Anytime you can interact through WhatsApp. You can interact with me. I will demonstrate your projects, any research article, any project if you want to execute. I am going to help you. Okay. So if you have a mobile or laptop, please subscribe my channel. You type Dr. Asadi, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. So definitely you will find many videos, many concepts in IT trends. So that's all from my side. If you are having any doubts, you can contact through WhatsApp or email. That's all, madam. Anika, madam, anything, if any doubts are there with students?
No, sir, students have no doubt at this time. Actually, they are very happy Dr. Sadi's session in our university. And
Yes.
I'm all very thankful to you to giving this session and enlighten our Chandigarh University students with your deep knowledge on data science. Students know what is data science and what are the Python and what are NumPy. They have gained so much in this session. Thank you for giving time for this session at this time. Thank you very much, Dr. Sadi. I hope we will again meet soon and give another session to our students.
Yeah, sure, madam. Sure. Thank you, madam, for giving me this opportunity.